Ignoring the noises in the background. This is my friend's DVD player, which is broken, the laser blown out during testing of my unit. Finally found the laser though. It's not an Xbox laser.
No, I got this. I'll go first.
No. Don't interrupt me again. But this is a Solora DFB774 Duo. Here's it right side up. The problem is it won't read discs anymore. Here's its original CD. Super game, not for sale. I'm gonna switch it on. What I'm gonna do is hold. Oh, I know where that spring is from. It's from an Xbox I took apart. And what it will do here is nothing really. Doesn't help if I put a DVD in it. Right. Yeah. I'm gonna be recording again when I take it apart. So the inside of this is kind of surprising. You can already see a MediaTek chipset in a DVD player that plays NES games, which is already really strange because the only DVD players that I've heard can play them is Sunplus and Rolson chipsets. But the only thing I'm really here for is just to replace the mechanism. And as I can see, it's actually wired to the laser, so this is actually the entire chipset in here. But what I'll do is take out the cable for the laser real quick. It's gonna be a bit difficult one-handed. Hang on. And I think it's better to just first off remove it a bit, so I can actually get it with 2 fingers and then pull on it. And for this mechanism.
Let me film, please.
No. There. And unplug the mechanism. No. I won't. Okay. So here's the old mechanism. HD H70 Elsh. It's basically the same thing as the one I'm putting in now, with just the SF HD 870. Best part about this is it's got a latched connector, but the same pin out and everything. It's a bit of quality, and the cable won't be on the styrene. My friend is watching YouTube shorts again, are you kidding me?
I want to be ninja punk. Nee, niet pink.
My friend using voice search.
Punk, let's go.
No, I've got to get these cables attached and located in. Ah, nice. Well, I'm gonna stop filming then. Alright, the new mechanism is installed. Here's the old one for proof, HDH70 Elsh. First, well, as I was saying, I was gonna test this out using its original CD to see if it at least spins up before I connect the LCD.
Let's go, Friso.
She'll turn on without the LCD, this one. Stop clapping.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, it seems to be reading the disc now, at least CDs. But what about a dual layer DVD from Disney? Then we can get to the fun part, which is NES emulator.
Yes.
On a MediaTek chipset.
Hey, Raya.
Yep, seems to read DVDs fine as well now. Yeah. Like new. Well, I'm gonna reconnect the LCD, screw it back together, and we're gonna look at the interesting part. Also, here's the chipset. We're gonna look up the datasheet later and put it in the description. Got some other parts here as well, but those are unrelated because the main event is here. But main giveaway here is the Game 1 and Game 2 ports. This thing can play VCDs with games on them, which is why it came with this disc. And I even burned another one and it worked fine. So I'll be back when it's assembled. Time to check if it still shows a display. Light blue. Backlight on. Let's see if it plays the disc. Like nothing ever happened. I'm gonna reassemble it and then we get the front part out. Now here comes the interesting bit. Yeah, video opener here. VCD 2.0. Just go through like this, hopefully. Just game 1, game. Need to figure out the skip chapters. Yeah, okay, like that with the controller. There's a load of in here. I've heard there's more than NES games on this disc too. Need to check that out then. But I wanted to show how laggy this thing is. So we now have it loaded. It's almost unplayable with one hand too, and with the lag. I'm also looking through the camera. But there's more to this. Ah, start exits. Interesting. Let's see. I can't go back, so... Let's see, what is it? 31. Well, let's see if there's like any MAME ROMs in here, as I've heard. So far, it seems to only be NES games. I can't find any MAME ROMs though. Let's get it open. Try something else. This disc is almost unreadable. So let's put it in. That's because it's not standing state on the stable surface really. Last time I tried this, it was actually completely glitched out. Hang on, let's just first I'll set it to 4x3 for this disc. Yeah. There we go. Don't know why it can't do that automatically. I love this. So it does play it. Can I skip chapters with the controller? Yeah, it's much quieter than it was before. Before I repaired it, also made a lot of noise. And yeah, it can't be controlled using the controller, so I guess it detects something. Seems to be able to read just fine.
Yeah. Let's go, Friezo.
Seems to not freak out as much anymore. Ah, the battery ran down. Ja, ik neem nu op, hè.
Echt waar?
Ja.
Mag je dit laten zien?
Nee.
Riebrandmods?
Nee, niet Riebrandmods AUB.
Waarom niet?
Je weet wel.
Nou nee, dat weet ik niet.
Dat weet je wel, dat heb je zelf ook meegemaakt.
Ja, ik heb het ook gehoord.
Okay, sorry for that.
Sorry. He wants
So my channel was just at risk there from a Brawl Stars mod, so yeah, don't want that.
Dumb?
That's it. I didn't say dumb.
Oh.
Yeah, it seems to not freak out as much anymore with the new laser.
Claptrap. This brawler is called Claptrap.
Zet het geluid even uit, Bram.
Bijna, waarom?
Je speelt Brawl Stars.
Je kan de mod niet zien.
Alsnog de sound effects.
Maar dat wordt niet gecopyright hoor.
Dat hoop ik. Yeah, this is just it not being able to read the disc. Just get it out. And you know why these discs get scratched? Yeah, you have to slide it under somehow. And yeah, that scratches the disc. I've got this one, got a singular scratch on the rubberized coating of my player. Ah, that's right at the part where it needs to read it. No, I guess I'm gonna have to deep clean this disc or get a de-scratcher.
Oh nee, waarom was dat nog vallen?
That was a screwdriver.
Don't let it fall, please.
Clean it because it seems a bit dirty. I'm only showing short snippets though, which is why I'm skipping through most of the disc though. But I wanted to see if it still glitches out as bad as we did with the old laser before it broke it. But I fixed it though too. It isn't the same for my DVD player because it wasn't an Xbox laser and I finally found the right Google result. Skipping through. Just get this window closed.
No, please don't.
Yes, there's too much noise. I have the volume down so that the others don't get annoyed.
Oh, okay, but when you're done with video, the window is going to go back open.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. It finds its home position perfectly, I think.
Homing?
No, you know what I mean. Home position.
Yeah, homing.
Closer to the spindle. Oh my goodness. I wish I had the remote so I could show the AV input working. Because I figured out that the AV mode is on the input and the mode switch on here is just for SD and USB. Very stupid. Yeah, it goes back to the sensor. It doesn't make the clicking noise it did before broke. It's also really smooth. It's not making those horrible noises anymore. It's barely audible when the laser moves around. Okay, please be silent for a moment. For some reason the screen is still better. You can see a spot where a tuner should have gone, but it didn't. I didn't click the mode button. My DVD player does that sometimes too, where I click the skip button and it thinks I pressed the setup button. It's because of the way it's wired. Yeah, I can hear the laser going back and forth perfectly. It's not overshooting or anything. I think it's looping, oh well. Yeah, it's working perfectly, it's moving perfectly. I'm gonna move it to the back, which doesn't damage, by the way, it's the clutch. See a bit of how I wired it. We started the unit. Oh, yeah, look. Oh, that's perfect. It only clicked once there. Yeah. So we're gonna turn it off with the disc inside. This thing was so much noisier before. You could actually hear it across the room.
Yeah, really, that's true, man.
Yeah, it really went when the laser moved. It didn't like that.
Maybe you should go burn the alarm punk in a disc and.
I don't need to do that. I can just put an SD card in and be done with it.
Can you please put the alarm punk on SD cards and play it on the Solora DVD player, aka the NES clone DVD player?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, actually, it's a NES that can play DVDs. Let's go!
Well, it's actually it should have been a Sunplus DVD player, but it isn't.
But can you upgrade the RAM so you don't have that?
No, you can't you can't actually do that. A DVD player has fixed specifications, and then the processor in here is actually not compatible with these discs. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Wait a minute, where did I put it?
Okay.
Hang on. That's the DVD. Let's see. Oh, I put it here. Well, it's not compatible with these discs officially, but it just made it work somehow. I'm gonna look up the datasheet of how it works. Because there are also native games for Sun Plus. Maybe I can find them, burn them to a disk, and put them in here, and hopefully they work. But yeah, she's really smooth. And also, this one also has an internal battery. It takes quite a bit to charge, but this thing has like lost like 5 hours on the DVD screensaver. Because most of the time because of that short amount of time that worked on battery was because I've already drained the entire thing during a test, and the thing just got stay on the DVD screensaver, which actually looks fancier than my unit. It actually got the OG DVD screensaver, so you can watch it hit the corners and such. And yeah, but yeah, this is a YWL or something. I think a HOP 1200W-B. So it was very close to an Xbox laser, but slightly different. So I killed an Xbox laser, sadly. Luckily, you have bad updates, exploits, and everything, so you can still use it. But that's interesting. But also, this controller weighs literally nothing. It's a piece of crap. Like, I can flex the back of it. Yeah, that's how crap it is. But I'm gonna do it later. The sleep funk on this, not now because others can get upset. So I will do that next time when I'm at my friend's house.
Yes.
Then I will
sleep over part 2. Let's go.
Yeah. And my friend can now enjoy his Bob the Builder discs and everything. Because that's the most of they have. The only 3 movies or 4 movies are actual real movies. The other kid... Yeah, Despicable Me, Finding Nemo, and Cars 2. And the others are just all kids shows from the Netherlands. Well, I'm gonna edit this video, clean up my phone storage and everything, and then this will all be posted. Hang on, found something. This is probably the source of the noise. Look at that. There's no metal bar on this. It's just plastic without any oil or whatever. Let's see. Oh, huh? I can just take that gear out of thing. Let's check. Hang on. I found the source of the noise actual now. This thing moves super unsmooth. It's just generating friction all over the place. Hear that? That's the sound of friction. Good thing I also replaced the mechanism with it, because this mechanism sucks. And look at it, it's playing a DVD just fine now. Perfectly, better than ever. I wonder why they chose this mechanism. I'll test it with my power supply. Just to figure out why it was making that noise. Is its original mechanism. Happily playing now. Very silent, can't even hear it. There's this one. You could hear it. That's how bad it was. Oh, it's moving.